everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad you're here to see me open this infamous box. Let's hope my little ear thing doesn't fall out. But thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail. This, as you can see down below, is from ARTDOT.com. Don't forget to use DPA for 10% off, especially during this Black Friday sale. But you know me in storage, and I already had one of these, absolutely in love with it. So I had to get another one, and I need to show you because this is probably one of my new favorite storage units now that I figured out the best way to use it. I was up pretty late last night after I put my son down to bed, not forever down. And I organized some today as well. And I was dying. Oh my gosh, so loud. I need to stop. I was dying to open this, but knew I needed to show you first. So, are you guys ready? Are you ready to see what it is? It's the 2-drawer set. Oh, I almost got the 4-drawer, but I thought I like this little thing. I already have one of these. And what I thought I would do is get a third one of these and put them on my IKEA shelves. I have them back here. You can't see them because they're hiding behind the storage, just waiting to go into this one. But I thought I could do 1, 2, and 3. And then I have all my specialty drills right here in front of me. So let's open this up because I'm telling you guys, this is my new favorite storage. And I'll show you why. I will show you why. Okay, so inside, they're going to give you these little things, but I'll show you a tip in just a minute. They also give you a little silicone funnel, and then you're going to get the lid, which I'm going to show you exactly what I do with the lid. Then I'm going to tip this out. All right, now while I'm tipping this out, I do want to show you that it does come from the United States. So if you are in the US, it only takes 2 to 3 business days to get to you. So if you have special drills or leftover drills, or you want to kit up using these, you don't have to wait super long. You just go ahead and order using DPA 10 and get yourself one of these babies. All right, so let's flip this baby over. Now, you guys can't see it, but it's 4 drawers. And inside the first one are 48 containers. Okay. And these containers hold a decent amount. And you can kit up with these. You can put your special drills with these. I'm just during the shipping because it rocked and rolled. They're all kind of on their sides. So I'm just putting them up while we're on camera so you see the real thing. Nothing to hide, people. Nothing to hide. Okay, so there we go. There we go. Yes. All right. So you got 48 in each drawer, and that's a total of 96. So definitely you could kit up using one of these. I plan on doing my other one. I have pixie and fairy dust in them, and I plan on doing round in one and square in the bottom. This drawer, these 2 drawers, I plan on doing metallics. Metallics are my next favorite. Sparklers, I like to see the colors because they're just so fabulous. So I'm going to keep them in my current storage. But that's what this is marked for, is metallics. And I absolutely love it. So definitely go check out ARTDOT and get yourself one of these. Now, what I want to talk about is, what do I do? Okay, so something fun is I actually buy these round stickers, and they fit perfectly on the top of these containers. If you don't want to do that, I went out and I bought these off of Amazon. They are the 3/4 diameter round labels, and you can actually print on them. I'm trying to find, that's what I was doing last night. Let me grab this. So I was actually printing on these. Like that's a block AB or black AB black quad. There's a blue black quad. I said black quad because one company labels it black and the other company labels it a quad, but they're both the same thing. So I just do that, and then it fits perfectly right on the top of this container. Okay. So those are the two ways that I use to label, depending on what you're using this for. Also, if you want, you can use the labels that come with the company. I find it a little difficult because most labels that come with the company aren't circular, and if you put them on the sides, then you can't see. So I like to do on the tops. Now, what do I use this thing for? What I like too is you could take this right off the top and use it as your staging section. So I'm going to show you, I have a box right over here so I can show you what I do. All right, so maybe I have some special drills that I don't store in. So maybe I put my special drills in here, depending on how I want to put them. So I know that this is the canvas I'm working on, right? I have, however you want to put it, like this might go best back here. These might go best up here. I like to put them like this so I can see what color they are. Also, tray. Tray can fit right in here. Also, pen. Pens don't fit here, but they can fit here, or if you want, a lot of times I put them back here sideways. So I have the pens ready to go. They're all waxed up, right? I can just put them right here, ready to go. I got my tray, I got my specials. If you have certain colors, like let's say you kit up out of your drawers, you can take the colors that you're using and put them right here if you want, or if you're using this for specials like I do, you can put the specials that you're using right here for the current thing that you're working on. So yes, you can use it as storage when you're being passive with diamond painting, but I actually like keeping this tray right here next to me with all the essentials I need for the current kit that I'm working on. And then that way I can switch it out and in. And because I have two of these two drawers, I have two of these lids, and I usually do one square and one round at the same time, so I'm good to go. So I just wanted to show you some tips with your ARTDOT drawer. Don't forget, use DPA10 for 10% off, and they're a decent price. So right now under diamond painting accessories, let me just see where it's at. Okay. Let's see here. Diamond painting best sellers. There we go. We have our craft, our bead set. So it comes in a 2-drawer, a 3-drawer, and a 4-drawer. And right now they're having a sale on the 2-drawer for $29.99. So go pick this up. You will not be disappointed. And share with me, how do you use your ARTDOT? So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.